Hi children, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about lesson chemical bonding video number 2 this is. So in our previous video we have discussed about chemical bonding, why atoms are participated in the chemical bond we have discussed. Now in this video before discussing types of chemical bonds, once you try to recall 9th class knowledge, that is valence electrons. What is meant by valence electrons? Is whatever the number of electrons present in outermost orbit is known as valence electron. Once again, number of electrons present in outermost orbit. Example, see magnesium, atomic number 12, electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So this is outermost orbit. How many electrons are there? 2 electrons are there. So valence electrons are 2. So these valence electrons are shown by Mr. Lewis using dots or stars. So it is known as Lewis electron dot structure. For example, this magnesium, 2 electrons are there. 2 electrons. Like that, for example, chlorine. In chlorine, look here, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. My dear children, because its atomic number is 17. Outermost orbit contains 7 electrons. How do we show that 7 electrons? Look here. This is Lewis dot structure, electron dot structure. Or we can use dots also, like this, dots also. Either the stars or dot. This is Lewis electron dot structure. Now we will discuss dear children, now we discuss about types of chemical bond. According to your 10th class textbook, the main types are 2 types of chemical bonds. One is ionic bond, second one is covalent bond. So first I am taking this ionic bond. What is meant by ionic bond? Let us see, let us explain with examples. I am taking first example, formation of sodium chloride. Formation of sodium chloride. How chemical bond, that is ionic bond, is formed between sodium and chlorine. After formation of ionic bond between them, sodium chloride is formed. So how it formed? Let us see. Now take sodium. Sodium's atomic number is 11, all we know. And electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. My dear children, see, this is first orbit, this is second orbit, this is outermost orbit. Outermost orbit, how many electrons are there for sodium? 1 electron is there. According to octet rule, it needs more 7 electrons to get stability. All we know, any atom to get stability, it needs 8 electrons in outermost orbit. Whereas our sodium is having only 1 electron in its outermost orbit. That's why it needs 7 more electrons. Okay, now go for chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its atomic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, my dear children. This is outermost orbit. How many electrons are there? 7 electrons are there. So it requires 1 more electron to get stability. Here sodium needs 7 electrons, chlorine needs 1 electron. Actually, when sodium requires 7 electrons, it requests all other atoms to give 7 electrons. Giving 7 electrons is a big number it is. So, no any other atom ready to give 7 electrons. That's why what sodium did, it lose this electron from its outermost orbit. When it lose this 1 electron, this will be outermost orbit. Then how many electrons will be there? 8 electrons. In that way, it gets stability. At the same time, chlorine requires that electron. Immediately chlorine takes that electron, 7 plus 1, it becomes 8 electrons. In that way, chlorine gets stability. That means here, from sodium to chlorine, 1 electron is transferred. So, how we show it? See, sodium. How many electrons? Outermost orbit, 1 electron is there. In chlorine, how many electrons are there? 7. From sodium to chlorine, 1 electron is transferred. So, this transfer is shown like this. Then, bond is formed between sodium and chlorine. Here, sodium loses 1 electron. That means, 1 negative charge is decreased. When negative charge is decreased, positive charge increased. So, it gets positive charge. At the same time, chlorine acquires. It has taken that electron. So, it gets negative charge. So, here, between sodium and chlorine, this bond is formed. So, how can we define this ionic bond here, dear children? The ionic bond is formed between the atoms due to transfer of electrons. Due to transfer of electrons. Okay, my dear children. Now let us see second example, formation of magnesium oxide and the ionic bond. Look here, how bond is formed between magnesium and oxygen. Let us see. Atomic number of magnesium we know 12. Electronic configuration of magnesium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Dear students, this is outermost orbit. In outermost orbit there are only 2 electrons. So automatically to get stability it requires more 6 electrons. Okay, go for oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This is outermost orbit, dear students. There are 6 electrons, 2, 4, 6 electrons. So it requires 2 more electrons. Look here. Magnesium is having 2 electrons in its outermost orbit. So it requires 6 more electrons. That's why it requests all other atoms to give 6 electrons. But no atom shown interest to give 6 electrons at a time. That's why this magnesium lose and transfer these 2 electrons. Immediately this oxygen requires those 2 electrons. That's why bond is formed between magnesium and oxygen. Look here, magnesium plus oxygen. So according to Lewis dot structure, magnesium is having 2 electrons in outermost orbit, oxygen 6 electrons. So these 2 electrons are transferred from magnesium. In that way, bond is formed between magnesium and oxygen. By losing 2 electrons, magnesium gets 2 units positive charge, oxygen gets 2 units negative charge. Or we can write like this, plus 2, oxygen minus 2. So in this way, magnesium oxide is formed between, bond is formed. Next, one more example for ionic bond, that is formation of magnesium chloride. How the bond is formed between magnesium and chlorine, let us see. Atomic number of magnesium is 12. all we know electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. In outermost orbit, there are 2 electrons. It requires 6 more electrons to get stability. Take chlorine, atomic number is 17. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, my dear children. In outermost orbit, there are 7 electrons. It requires 1 more electron. You observe here, 2 electrons in magnesium atom, but no one is ready to give 6 electrons. That's why it transfers these 2 electrons. And chlorine, it needs only 1 electron. That's why 1 more chlorine atom will take that electron. In this way, between magnesium and 2 chlorine atoms, bond is formed. So how we show it? Look here, magnesium 2 electrons, write like this. Here 2 chlorine atoms are participating in the bond, that's why show chlorine, chlorine. In the chlorine 7 electrons, in this chlorine also 7 electrons. This electron is transferred to this chlorine, this electron is transferred to this chlorine. In this way, magnesium gets plus 2 unit charge, this chlorine 1 unit of minus charge, 1 more chlorine 1 unit of minus charge, negative charge. We can write like this also. So, thus ionic bond is formed between magnesium and 2 chlorine atoms. Formation of aluminium chloride. One more example for ionic bond. How aluminium chloride is formed? Let us see. Atomic number of aluminium is 13. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1, my dear children. So this is outermost orbit for aluminium. 3 electrons are there in outermost orbit. It requires 5 more electrons according to octet rule. 3 electrons are there, so it requires 5 more electrons. Next, chlorine, all we know its atomic number is 17. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. In outermost orbit of chlorine atom, there are 7 electrons. It requires 1 electron. Look here, for aluminium, 3 electrons are there. It requires 5 more electrons. So it can't get 5 electrons from any other source. That's why aluminium is ready to transfer these 3 electrons. At the same time, chlorine atom requires 1 electron. Aluminium is giving 3 electrons. Chlorine is ready to take 1 electron. Then how? That's why 2 more chlorine atoms, totally 3 chlorine atoms are taking 3 electrons from aluminium, 1 electron each. How? We can show here, see, aluminium 3 electrons, chlorine, here chlorine, here 1 more chlorine. In all chlorine atoms, 7 electrons are there. Here also 7 electrons. For this chlorine also 7 electrons. Aluminium transfer this electron to this chlorine, this electron to this chlorine, this electron to this chlorine. That's why this is ionic bond. Why? Aluminium transferred 3 electrons to 3 different chlorine atoms. So aluminium gets plus 3 unit charge. Each chlorine atom gets 1 unit negative charge. Thus, ionic bond is formed between 1 aluminium and 3 chlorine atoms, dear children.